Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we're going to replace the air filter, the engine air filter in my Honda Civic. This is a 2017 Honda Civic, so that's 2017 to 2020 or 2016 to 2021 model years. All right, so I got my filter from CarQuest. It's a premium filter. It's just like the OEM filter, so it's good stuff. It'll save you a little bit of money going to an aftermarket part supplier to get these things. So I ended up, the cost on it, the list price is $25, but I bought like 4 filters, so I ended up getting it for $19. So a little bit of a savings there. And yeah, that's from CarQuest, this one. But you can get them from any parts store. Alright, so I'm going to use my impact driver, and it's just a small one with an 8mm socket on it. I'll show you the 4 bolts we got to take out. Alright, so it's hard to see in the sunlight here. So there's one here, there's one back here, and there's one here, and there's one back here. And the front of it will look like this. Has a hole there, and then you can see the air duct runs up to here, right? Alright, so these bolts don't come all the way out. You just loosen them until they pop up. Okay, and then you just lift them up like this. Well, that looks really clean on this side. Oh, there's the dirt. So that's quite dirty. So you'll see it fits in like so. So it has the long side at the back here. This part goes closer to the engine. Alright, so it's doing its job because it's nice and clean here, so you get clean air to your engine and you get all your dirty, all your dirt gets trapped on the other side. Pop out the new one. This one doesn't have a plastic bag on it, which it should. So obviously somebody's opened that. You just pop it in, you close this down, and this is just tight, right? Just a couple of clicks here. Basically, they call it no loose condition. So, just a little tight, nothing major. And that's it. Alright, so how long did that take me? What, like a minute? I've heard from people on my YouTube channel that they are charging $90 here in Canada to replace one of these filters. Now, I'm not sure if that's including the price of the filter plus the labor, but like I said, I got mine for $20 and it's under a minute to change it, right? So something anybody can do with just a simple little socket set. Anyway, thanks for watching.